Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get files after empty recycle bin. Immediately stop using the drive to avoid overwriting lost data. Power down external drives or disconnect storage to preserve recoverable sectors. Take screenshots or notes of missing files and their expected locations. Choose a recovery tool on a separate healthy system and prepare a destination drive for recovered files to prevent contamination of the original media. Let's explore recovery approaches so you can pick the best fit. Try free tools first for simple recoveries, but upgrade to paid software when deeper scans or raw file carving are needed. If the drive shows mechanical failure or unusual noises, stop and consult a professional to avoid permanent damage. Always perform recovery to a separate target drive to keep original data intact and improve chances of successful restoration. Now follow a clear recovery workflow to maximize success and minimize risk. Install your chosen recovery program on a different drive, then connect the affected disk read-only. Perform a quick scan first, then run a thorough deep scan that searches for file signatures and fragments. Use the preview feature to confirm file integrity, then recover only needed files to a separate target drive to avoid overwriting any remaining data on the original disk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.